Hi there, and welcome to Traveling Light. My name is Lisa. I'm a Reiki practitioner and instructor. And today we're going to do a little bit of a shorter Usui fundamental practice. We're going to go through the 13 self-healing hand positions and hold them just a little bit shorter. And I'm going to try to have this about 10-12 minutes, okay? So let's start right in. Dry bathing. Good. Let's have our hands over our lower abdomen just for a moment here. Joshin Kokyo Ho. Just get a sense of your low belly. Make sure that you're breathing here so that your belly is inhaling and exhaling. Gasho. Stay with your breathing. Focus lightly on the palms of your hands. Two hands coming together, focusing the Reiki energy right here. Get centered with a little Waka poem, The Precious Gem. The precious stone is not shining, it seems, because you forgot to polish it. Our practice today will just be a little quick way to polish that precious gemstone when you have a little less time. And we'll start right over the face and eyes. Good. Your ears and temples. And the occiput, the back of your head. Right to your neck and throat. And the area of your lungs and heart. Good. Your upper abdomen, right at the bottom of your rib cage here. Good. And your lower abdomen, your Hara here, right just below, a little behind your belly button. Good. And then the hip creases right here, where your hip meets your torso. We are going fairly quickly here, so this is a great way to practice your focus, your breathing. Get a few good deep breaths in every hand placement, or maybe one, depending on how slow your breathing is. Focusing intently right on that area where your hands meet your body. I'm going to do the back positions from a distance today. You can do that if you like using Hanshin. Usually we do this, this, and this. Today, I'm going to place myself outside of my physical body. I'm going to use Hanshin and Shokure, and I'm going to place my hands on my own shoulders from a distance, as if I'm standing behind myself. Good. And then the area of your shoulder blades. You want to reach around to your own back, you can do it that way. Keep your breath nice and soft and full. Good. And then Reiki your low back. The area where your tailbone is, right where the spine meets the hips. And your knees or somewhere on your upper leg that feels comfortable. Good. And then one of your feet ground into your feet. And your other foot. Good. And finishing up the Gasho. Finish your practice mindfully. Come back often on those days when you have 10 minutes. This was going on 11 or 12. Thanks for practicing. I'll see you in the next practice. Bye.